2 minutes and 7 seconds from boot up on a Windows OS, and we can play a video on YouTube. So not too bad. Alright guys, I tried installing Flex OS and it won't do it. So we're gonna be stuck with Windows, or should we try a Linux? Hold on a minute. Alright guys, so I have the Linux OS downloaded and fully updated everything, and it's taken ages, and we're going to do the same test. So 2 minutes and 7 was on Windows, and you're going to start this one and see how long it takes to play a YouTube video. Alright guys, as you can see, it took longer and it doesn't play well. So it looks like we're going to go with Windows, even though it's going to become unsupported in the future.